Here's a quick guide on how you can invest in any digital landlord group buying property. So I'm going to go to my browser and go to Digital Landlord. Digital Landlord have a number of opportunities open, and at any given point in time, if you want to find out what is available, all you need to do is go to the portfolio. So I'm just going to accept the cookies which are necessary for the website to function, and then we're on our way. So I'm going to go to portfolio, group buying portfolio, and I see an opportunity open to invest in a luxury 3-bed townhouse. I'm interested in this one, so I'm going to find out more. From the portfolio page, once I'm happy with all the information that's been provided under the investors, description, investment case, cost breakdown tabs, I go to calculate ROI. The ROI calculator is simply an estimation tool in order to give you an idea of what this investment could be worth to you over a period of your investment. So the default timeline is 10 years, which you can estimate. You can change the estimates. You can see what it's going to be in 1 year. There's a visual representation of what your return is going to be, inclusive of your initial investment capital, and there's also a numerical breakdown on the table below. Again, what you need to do here is confirm exactly how much you will be investing by editing the amount that's stated on your investment. So I want to do 1.2 million, but the slider won't let me select that. So I'm going to change that here manually by typing that in. Okay, I don't think I've done that right. 1.2, oh, that's correct actually, yeah. So there you go, 1.2 million. Yeah, so there you go. And once everything looks good, I'm happy with all of the estimates, I click join the 100 club and I create my account. By default, you need to select one-off payment. If you already have an account, just log in. The option to log in is on this screen. So I'm going to create a test account and just illustrate how this process works. I'm going to select and fill out the form with the necessary information. I will use my work email, which is hopefully going to work because I use that for testing all the time. Okay, so here you can select how you would like to communicate, how you would like us to communicate with you. What is your preferred channel of communication, and also what social media channels do you use more, so we can share updates and content with you. So I'm going to select the channel where I am most active and go next. I'll create a password. Okay, I'll complete the how and then tick the relevant boxes to complete the creation. Okay, so my password does not contain a special character, so I'm going to add that now and make it stronger. Complete the process and job is done. voila, I have a dashboard that shows me my investment. I can follow the brand on Telegram if I wish, which will open in a new tab, and it's opened in the channel on Telegram, and I can close that once that's done. Now what you see here is the overall portfolio. You see what you have invested, which for me is 0 right now. You see what others have invested, which right now is 42 million. You see how much time we have left, the ability to add funds, review the funds that you've added, and review the files that are associated with this investment. You also have a repeat visual description of your ROI, and you have a breakdown of how much is gone into this investment as a whole. I hope that that's been helpful. Please check out the video guide on how to add funds. Happy investing.